Aye, these be the sands where Captain Blackbeard buried his treasure.
Alright guys, this is Silver Husky. We're out here at the beach in South Florida. And I've never done this at the beach using this metal detector, so let's see if we can find some buried pirate treasure. Let's see what it picks up. Sometimes the sand is just so full of alkali that it, let me see, put on discrimination mode, that it won't pick up anything, or maybe sometimes it picks up everything. So just so you guys know, when you're doing this, you want to sweep back and forth, keeping the disc flat, kind of parallel to the earth, and you sweep until you get a ping. And once you get a ping, oh, you guys hear that? Let's see what the reading is. Alright, nothing else around it. Ooh, this sand is hot. Alright, so we're getting everything from 100, like 101, 134, what was that? Something else came up. So about 100 to 170, 180, we'll say. Alright, so then next thing you want to do, we'll hit the pinpoint button. Alright, so we know it's right around here, so you want to do it like an X pattern. So we know it's right there, and then we come around the other way. Alright, so it's right about there. Okay, so that's where we're going to dig. Let me turn this off, set it aside. So, did we find the pirate's treasure? Let's find out. Alright, so I don't know how deep this is going to be. Whoa, it looks like there's something here. What is this? Oh, it's a bag. It's a bag. What the heck? Clean my hand off. Is this pirate booty? Anyone else suspect anything? Nobody else is looking. Okay, let's see what we got. All right, I don't want to get too much junk in here. Let's see what we've got, guys. Oh, there's coins in here. What? Oh my gosh, guys, they're silver. They're silver, guys. Oh, I know what this is. This is booty from Blackbeard's ship. Yeah, when he raided the British Royal Fleet of 2018 and 2019, that ship went down off the coast of Florida. Look at that. We got a Britannia with an oriental border. That's one. Oh, here's another one. Oh, this is an older Britannia from 2011. Oh, that's awesome. This has to be Blackbeard's treasure. I know what this is. This is the Queen's Beast, the Black Bull of Clarence. Stinking cool. That's 2018 also. And then we've got, oh my gosh, this is from Barbados. This is Caribbean coin. Oh, that's awesome. That's a trident. What else? What's the last one? This is the Una and the Lion from the British Virgin Islands. Guys, we got Blackbeard's treasure. Oh, that's so cool. All right, don't tell the news authorities. I don't want them to find out. This is stinking cool. All right, guys. I'll see you guys next time. We'll see what else we can find. Hey guys, it's Silver Husky. I'm sure you guys have figured out by now that that was not a real treasure hunt. More of just having a good time, getting out and about, showing you guys how to metal detect. It wasn't really too much detail though, but still all good fun. I hope you guys are getting out and about, having a good time if you can. Do it safely. Obviously, you don't want to get sick or anything, but if you do have the opportunity to get out, do it. Of course, don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you guys all real soon.